To get more video, please subscribe the channel. Student, today we discuss about the chapter 2 is real numbers of 9th standard mathematics part first. The next points is binomial quadratic surds and rationalization of the denominator. The examples which is based upon this. Now there is one important property also we have to discuss here. Now first, binomial quadratic surd means, what is meant by binomial quadratic surd? By means 2. By means 2. So the sum or difference of two numbers on of which is a quadratic surd. Means it is a quadratic sum, असेल त्याची sum or difference. The other either जो दूसरा जो असेल तो either a non-zero rational number, so type of this one is, or a quadratic surd पण असेल. Then it is called as the binomial quadratic surd. For example, here a plus x would be, second one is a minus x would be, means that plus or minus means that addition or subtraction here. 5 plus 3 root 2, 3 minus 2 root 3, etc. Conjugate binomial surds. Conjugate means that pairs such that, look carefully, root 3 plus root 2 and is another one is root 3 minus root 2. Student, here is plus and here is minus. Only the difference is inside. Then the product of the two conjugated binomial surd is a rational number. Student, the product of any two binomial surds, conjugate binomial surds, is always rational number. Suppose that this is conjugate binomial surd. When we take its product, then a plus b, a minus b, means that a square minus b square. A square means root 3 square become 3 and minus root 2 square is 2, means that 3 minus 1 is 1. 3 minus 2 is equals to 1, means that which is the rational number, means that product of any two conjugate surds is always rational number. This is one property. We use this property to solve the rationalization of the denominator also. So that the product of two consecutive binomial surd is always a rational number. Using this property, the rationalization of the denominator in the form of binomial surd can be done. मग त्यावेळेस आपल्याला काय करायचं, जो डिनॉमिनेटर असेल त्या डिनॉमिनेटरचं काय करावं लागेल, रॅशनलायझेशन करावं लागेल by using these binomial surds, mean that conjugate pair of the binomial surds. Okay, we take the examples of practice set 2.4. Now we discuss about these examples. Let's take the examples of the practice set 2.4. The first question is the multiply. First is root 3 into root of 7 minus root of 3. Now student, we have to take its answer is that root 3 into root 7 minus root 3 is equals to, we have to multiply root 3 to this, we get that root 3 into root 7 minus root 3 into root 3. Student, this product here radical is same, so that this is the product of root of 21 minus root 3 into root 3 becomes root 9 and taking square root of root is 3, means that 3 3s are 9, root of 9 is equals to 3, or by using log of indices, root of a into root of a is equals to a. So that the answer is root 3 in bracket root 7 minus root 3 is equals to root of 21 minus 3. So simple one. Again we have to take next question is answer. Root of 5 minus root of 7 into root of 2 is equals to, multiply this root to this, both this value, means that root of 5 into root of 2 minus root of 7 into root of 2. Then it becomes root of 10 minus this become root of 14. We cannot again simplify, so that the answer in full sentence is root of 5 minus root of 7 into root of 2 is equals to root of 10 minus root of 14. Then we take the next question. The answer of this question is answer. I have taken directly the answer of this one is equals to. Now with that 3 root 2 minus root 3 into 4 root 3 minus root 2. You have to multiply by second bracket to first bracket or first bracket to the second also. Here I have to multiply this by this bracket to this bracket, we get that. Here is 3 root 2 minus bracket 3 root 2 minus root 3 into root 2. Student, first we multiply this 4 root 3 to this whole bracket, we get that is equals to 4 into 3 is 12 root 2 into root 3 minus 4 root 3 into root 3. Then this minus sign, then again I have to take here bracket root 2 into this one is 3 root 2 into root 2 minus root 3 into root 2. Can you understand this? Then take proper product here. Here is 12 root of 6. 3 to the 6. Here is minus 4 into 3 because root 3 into root 3 is 3. Minus again I have take here bracket, here is 3 into 2 because root 2 into root 2 is 2 minus here is root of 6. Student, this minus sign changes sign here also. First I have to write the product of it. Minus 12 minus again 3 to the 6 minus root of 6. Changing the sign, we get that 12 root 6 minus 12. Here is minus 6 minus minus plus root of 6. Student, this 12 root 6 and this root of 6, we have to adding it. It becomes 13 root 6. Minus 12 minus 6 becomes minus 18. Mean that this is our answer. So again I have to write the answer in full sentence. 3 root 2 minus root 3 into 4 root 3 minus root 2 is equals to 13 root of 6 minus 18. Okay, we take the second question. Now the first question is 1 upon root 7 plus root 2. So the answer of this question, first I have to write the conjugate of this denominator. So that conjugate of root 7 plus root 2 is root 7 minus root 2. Look carefully, plus then conjugate is minus. Then you have to multiply numerator and denominator by this conjugate to this equation. We get that. Therefore, 1 upon root 7 plus root 2 is equals to 1 upon root 7 plus root 2 into multiply its conjugate upon root 7 minus root 2. Mean that this is same. When we multiply it, suppose that we take here bracket here. Suppose we have to multiply and divide this, then they get cancelled. So that multiply like as 1. So you have to multiply its numerator and denominator by this conjugate. I have to also take here bracket. Now student, when we multiply 1 to this whole bracket, we get that root of 7 minus root of 2 upon, look carefully, here is a plus b, a minus b. This is one identity which is a square. A is root of 7 square minus b square. Because here I have to write the identity a plus b, a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. Student, this square is root of 7 minus root of 2 upon root of 7 square is 7 and this root of 2 is 2. Then when we subtract this, we get that root of 7 minus root of 2 upon this value becomes how much? 5. This is our answer. So that this is the value of 1 upon root of 7 plus root of 2. Can you understand? This is our answer. Then we take the next one is. Now first, the conjugate of denominator is the conjugate of root 5 minus 3 root 2 is, this is denominator. The conjugate of this one is only changing the sign, is 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. You have to multiply its numerator and denominator by this conjugate. So this value becomes in that 3 upon 2 root of 5 minus 3 root of 2 is equals to, we have to multiply and divide by this conjugate of the pair. In that 2 root of 5 minus 3 root of 2 into 2 root of 5 plus 3 root of 2 upon 2 root of 5 plus 3 root of 2. I have take bracket for each values. Now student, then multiply numerator by numerator. We get that 3 in bracket 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 upon this is a minus b, a plus b, again a square mean that 2 root of 5 square minus b square mean that 3 root of 2 square, again the identity a minus b, a plus b is equals to a square minus b square. Then square of this bracket is 3 as it is 2 root of 5 plus 3 root of 2 upon the square of it is 4. The square of root of 5 is 5 minus this square is 9 and square of root 2 is 2. Then it becomes 3 into 2 root of 5 plus 3 root of 2 upon 4 5s are 20 minus 9 2s are 18. Then we write the answer in full sentence. Therefore 3 upon 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2 is equals to, this is as it is 3 into 2 root of 5 plus 3 into root of 2 upon this subtraction is how much? 2. This is our answer of this second question. We take the next questions. Next questions are 4 upon 7 plus 4 root 3. The answer of it. Now first I have to write the conjugate of this denominator. So conjugate of 7 plus 4 root 3 is 7 minus 4 root 3 plus minus. You have to multiply numerator and denominator by this conjugate of this question. Means that 4 upon 7 plus 4 root 3 is equals to 4 upon 7 plus 4 root 3 into 7 minus 4 root 3 upon 7 minus 4 root 3. So simple type of the questions. Then multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. We get that 4 into 7 minus 4 root 3 upon this is a plus b, a minus b means that a square minus b square. Because this is identity a plus b, a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. Then student, we have to write here or multiply it also. 4 7s are 28 minus 16 root 3 upon this is 7 square is 49 minus this is 16 into 3. Then this value becomes, I have write here 28 minus 16 root 3 upon this is 49 minus 16 3s are 48. So that the answer is 4 upon 7 plus 4 root 3 is equals to this is 28 minus 16 root 3 upon how much? 1. That is 28 minus 16 root 3 is the answer of this question. Then we take the last sub question of the question second and also this practice set. The answer is, here is we have to only rationalize the denominator so that conjugate of root 5 plus root 3 is root 5 minus root 3. You have to multiply numerator and denominator by this root 5 minus root 3. We get here. Therefore root of 5 minus root of 3 upon root of 5 plus root of 3 is equals to, first I will write root of 5 minus root of 3 upon root of 5 plus root of 3 into multiply its rationalizing factor upon root 5 minus root 3. I have taken bracket for each values. Then when we observe carefully root of 5 minus root of 3, root of 5 minus root of 3 means that this comes 2 times, means that root of 5 minus root of 3 bracket square upon this is a plus b, a minus b means that a square root of 5 square minus b square means that root of 3 square. Student, this is by using identity a minus b bracket square and this identity is a square. A square minus 2 into a into b plus b square upon this is a square minus minus b square means that b square is 5 and this root 3 square is 3. Now here I have to use this identity also. A minus b bracket square is equals to a square plus minus twice ab plus b square. Then this root 5 square is 5 minus this one is 2 root of 15 plus this 3 upon 2 minus 3 becomes 5 minus 3 becomes 2. Then 5 plus 3 becomes 8 minus 2 root of 15 upon these 2. Student, look carefully. We take common here 2. Then in bracket 4 minus root of 15 upon how much? 2. Can you understand this? When we multiply this, we get this value. 2 4 is 8 minus 2 root of 15. Then these 2 and these 2 get cancelled. So that our answer is 4 minus root of 15. Can you understand this? Okay. Thank you very much for watching the videos.